Ta-da! Hi everyone. Sorry. Um, Here is my favorite thing to trade, and I this indicator is inspired by someone I actually watched a lot, Max Anthony. He might never get a chance to see this video, but that's fine. Max Anthony, he has this really great community where you find them trading every month. It's amazing. And this is one of his favorite things to trade, the opening range breakout. First 15 minutes candle, high and low, and a whole lot of concept. We've made it as easy as we could. Now, there is no need telling you, hey, you get a little retest back on the orb line, and that is your entry. You get a breakage of the higher orb, and then you get a retest on the orb line, and that gives you your entry right there. Now if you jump to a higher time frame, let's go to say 15 minutes, you see the structures a whole lot clearer. But something I'll notice that our indicator, which is this particular one, the orb, responds a lot more with crude oil than it does with any other instrument. You see here, you have the orb short signals on the 15 minutes. You have the orb short there, telling you that you have an entry there, a bearish entry. You have another orb short here for the next day, telling you you have bearish entries at this point. You have an orb long here, telling you that okay, you have a bullish entry, and just guides you through on the opening range breaker. And that is it. Last indicator on our system is the orb. Now, the other one, which is not really an indicator, is a trade copier developed by us. Something we do not want our users doing is for you to probably get like a prop firm, or you get a challenge set up, and then you need to still go get a trade copier for your system and whatever. So we developed a trade copier for the Venzitech trading framework. So without further ado, here's the Venza copier, where you have a master account. I'll pick that, and then you could copy to a follower account right there, apply that, and then you could simply launch off a trade from your master account, and it's going to copy over to your follower account. We have this as trades that we copied today. You see that you don't have much of a feel issue between the different zones. So this was at $3,124, and the other one copied, and that made $3,105. So with that amount and that speed at which the trade was executed, you were still able to get some amount of fills, which makes the copier really, really great. So we don't want you, going out of the system to go get a trade copier when we could simply build one and integrate it with the system in order to have your accounts copy over with it. So that is the entire system of indicators for the Venzitech trading framework. The next video, we're going to introduce and talk about the two automations that come along with our system that have a very high win probability. So stay tuned and let's get together on the next video.